Welcome to War India News Hour. Workforce with proper skill sets are required to manage automation tools in data center. IT automation will help you in reducing the manual tasks. Hence, your IT department can focus on more important tasks. Network infrastructure automation will also help you in making the network configuration more streamlined. AI and machine learning are causing organizations to generate more data, which is helpful in improving business operations and efficiencies. However, storing this amount of data can be difficult. Slowing down networks, there are multiple advantages while automating the data center includes automation accelerates the provisioning of the infrastructure necessary to enable the business in achieving faster time to market. Secondly, it will help them in identifying patterns of their power consumption and allocating resource accordingly. Further, AI and ML can also help in predictive analysis of your maintenance, thereby allowing your IT team to avoid any data center outage. It also helps in providing real-time analytics, which enables organizations to put in place real-time responsiveness. This is useful for supporting anomaly detection, root cause and analysis, remediation, prevention and planning use cases where processing and correlating massive amounts of information is critical. Data center automation accelerates the provisioning of the infrastructure necessary to support business services. It also enforces good practice and automates manual tasks. However, just like DevOps, automation is really more about a mind shift than a technology shift. Thus, organizations need to focus on building the required skill sets to help them make their data centers more effective and efficient. Let's look into this hour's headline in War India. MITM attacks have increased for withdrawing money from ATMs. The central government has said there are increasing incidents of men in the middle, that is called MITM, attacks on ATMs, and all banks have been asked to enhance their safety norms for ATM through end-to-end encryption in the network, under which messages sent by ATM switch to ATM host are altered by attackers to withdraw cash fraudulently. There are many cases found that cyber fraud gangs have started adopting a new modus operandi to withdraw money from ATMs. Sachin Bansal is geared to disrupt the digital lending in banking space. Chaitanya India Fin Credit Private Limited, that is CIFCPL, the microfinance arm of Bansal's Navi Technologies, has applied for a banking license. The lender has made an application to the RBI for a universal banking license under the RBI's On-Tap Banking License Guidelines 2016. Navi Technologies is also hiring top talent from tech and B schools as digitization unfolds and is looking to ramp up hiring tenfold in 2021 as per the report. Database of Domino's India hacked. 1 million credit card details of Domino's India customers is leaked along with their email IDs, cell phone number, which are on sale in the dark web. Going to Elon Gal, co-founder of an Israeli cybercrime intelligence, hackers have access to Domino's India's 13 TB of internal data, which includes employee details of over 250 employees across verticals such as IT, legal, finance, marketing, operations, etc. Huawei to invest $1 billion in intelligent technology into automotive sector. Huawei is planning to invest $1 billion in intelligent vehicle solutions, including major software in 2021. The Chinese telecommunications equipment maker will also employ around 5,000 technicians and engineers to work on the project. Wang Jun, Huawei's president of Intelligent Automation Solution Business Unit, said he further rebuilding trust and restoring collaboration across the global semiconductor supply chain is crucial to bringing the industry back on track. Samsung aims to increase its monitor market to twofold. Samsung is working towards increasing the PC monitor market to twofold and expect to become the leading player in its premium segment, that is 27 inches and above. The company is focusing towards the premium end of the segment and strengthening its product portfolio, said Puneet Sethi, Vice President Consumer Electronics Enterprise Business, Samsung India. He further said in 2021, we expect to grow 140% in overall monitors and 150% in the premium segment. That's it for now. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to War India News Magazine. You can download the War India app from Google Play Store. Stay tuned. Thank you very much.